I'm Yolanda Johnson-Bryant, and you're watching The Other Side of the Dash. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please stay a while and hit that subscription button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and share this video with anyone you think will find it useful. So today I'm going to be doing another wig review. And I'm not going to do a complete install, I'm just going to review the wig. I'm going to put it on and show you how it looks on me, and that's going to be it. But today's wig is going to be another Bobbi Boss. I'm starting to like Bobbi Boss. I'm hoping I like this one. One thing I find that I don't like about Bobbi Boss is that it does do some shedding depending on what you get. But let's try this one. We'll give her a fresh start. So right now, the one I have here is the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig. It is a Swiss lace wig. It is a premium synthetic wig. And let's see here, she is in MLF 181 Jenna, that's D-E-N-N-A, and she's in the color of F2324. Now I did get this in two different colors, and I've already tried the other one, and the light, it's really light, and it just doesn't work for me, only because it is very fly away. And you know, with lighter hair, whether it's your real hair or synthetic hair or whatever, the lighter the hair goes, the thinner the strands are, and they tend to be a flyaway, especially in wigs. So I didn't too much care for that one, and so I'm going to review this one. This one's a little bit darker with the lighter highlights in it. So we're going to try this again. This is Jenna in 52324, and I was trying to look because I thought I saw somewhere on here. It is premium heat fiber, which is safe for heat styling, and it has a hand-tied J part. So there you go. Let me put it this way so you can see it like that. And I will put the actual tag somewhere here so you guys can see it. So I'm going to show you guys how it is when I take it out of the packaging, because I've never opened this one before. So I'm going to show you the construction, show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to go and put it on off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like, okay? So here we go. It comes in, of course, the plastic packaging, which most wigs come in. Some have a little more packaging than others. This one has a cardboard box here. And it comes with, let's see here, a little cardboard in there to kind of keep the shape of the wig, with some other stuff there. Then this right here, I imagine this right here is to protect the lace. Okay, and then it comes with a hairnet. So we're going to take that hairnet off. Then of course this tag. And I always tear this tag off. Another thing that I always do with my wigs also is, I don't like these things in the back here. People are like, why do you cut it off? I don't plan on returning it whether I like it or not, because I don't want to be the one to get a wig that was used on somebody's head and catch something. So I automatically just cut those off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And most wigs come with just one. For some reason, this one comes with two. And then, so there you go. There is the wig right here. So this is the color. I'm still looking like I might have to put some black streaks. I'm still looking like I might still have to put some black streaks in it, because it still kind of looks a little light. So is the sides. What it's supposed to be is long on the sides and short in the back. There's supposed to be a bob in the back, if you can see how that's supposed to look here. And again, I'll put that on the side here. So you got your Swiss lace. Now I'm feeling this Swiss lace. I felt softer Swiss lace. This lace is kind of not as hard as a regular synthetic wig, but it's not actually soft either. I might have to get some like oil and kind of like massage that to make it feel a little bit on my head, because I don't need anything itching my head or trying to take out the rest of the sides that I already have, you know. So you got that J's semi-J parting area here, and I'm going to also pluck this. I'm not going to do it on camera, but it comes with combs. There's 2 front combs, and I don't usually keep my combs in because I've done it in the past, and so it pulls on my edges and it hurts so bad, and then it ends up pulling my hair out. So I don't even do that. That's where my hair is most vulnerable, as opposed to the back, where I have a head full of thick hair, where I leave these in the back. There's a comb in the back, and it can just clip. I can just, you know, French braid my hair and just clip it on the back. So that's fine. So there's the cap construction. And it looks like I may not, if I pluck it, have to do too much coloring of the scalp. I wish they had pre-plucked that. You really can't see it because of the lightness of the hair, but let's see if you guys can see that there. Yeah, it's not gonna work. But anyway, it's got side-to-side lace. Again, it's not as soft as the Swiss lace I'm used to. So at any rate, I'm going to stop mumbling right now, and I'm going to go try this wig on. I'm going to pluck it a little bit, possibly install it. If I like it, once I get it on my head, then I'm going to install it, and we'll go from there. You see a couple pieces dangling, so I can't really attest right now if it sheds a lot. It's only that one piece. So what I'm going to do is go install it, and see if during the install that it actually starts to shed. So see you guys in a bit. So this is the finished product, and I must say I actually like this. It's cute. I did some plucking up here. I might do a little bit more plucking and cut some, you know, small hairs for the edges there, but I like it. I gotta probably make sure the back is straight, but I like it. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like this. This is my new spring summer do. Ooh, I like this one. The other one I had was way too light, and I just didn't like it. Let me show you guys what that one looked like. So this one, even after me putting my root cover on, it's still, I may revisit it sometime in the future, not anytime soon, but you guys can see that it just didn't work for me. And I like the colors, just once it's on, it looks very, very wiggy and brassy. So I've got to work with it. So I didn't like that. But this one right here, y'all. And this one I did not use. I did not use as much of the cover up that I've had in the past. All I did was a few things here and there, because you can tell it's already mixed with, I believe it's 1B and whatever the other color is. So I didn't have to do much to it. So I must say, I really, really like this wig, you guys. I'm looking kind of cute up in here. Let me take off my glasses and see how cuter I look. Okay, so that's it. I'm done posing and modeling for you guys. But I really, really like this wig. Went in the hallway, hubby said he likes it too. So I think this one's a keeper, you guys. So yeah, I'll be wearing this one all spring and summer. So hopefully it carries on to when we finally move to Texas, you know. Yeah, I like it. So tell me what you guys think in the description box below. And I just wanted to let you guys know I only use 2 products to try to prepare this wig. It's not completely installed, but if I wanted to, I probably would. But you guys know I don't like doing complete installs because it messes with my scalp. But anyway, I use the Got To Be spray, and I use the hair cover up. And I got this one in the beauty store, but you can get it anywhere. Or you can just use it in a cheap bottle of mascara to actually cover up the roots or whatever the case may be. But this is all I used. I did use some tweezers to pluck the part there, but that's all I used. And you guys remember the last wig review I did was in the color Bug. They got this in color Bug, but I don't think I'm going to go that. My husband is saying that I should try the purple, but I'm not going, no, y'all know me. It's not going to happen. So this is what it looks like. And again, I'll put it over here somewhere so you guys can see it. I got this wig from Amazon. I'm sure you can find it on samsbeauty.com, which is where most of the time I order my wigs. But what I've been doing now lately is going to Sam's Beauty. Sometimes they'll send me a coupon for free shipping or so much percentage off of a particular wig, or they're on sale. So what I'll do is I'll go there and look for wigs that I like. And if I find one that I like, I will go over and cross-reference on Amazon and see if I can find it. If it's compatible with price, and of course with Amazon Prime, you have no shipping cost, I will get it from Amazon. If it costs less with any flat rate or no shipping that Sam offers, I will go ahead and get it from Sam's. But lately, I've been finding them on Amazon at a much cheaper price and at no shipping cost whatsoever. And I get it within, the last ones I think, it took me a while to get. This one I got really quickly, within 2 to 3 days. So, now the other one that I got that's just like this, a different color, it took me a week to get that one. So, I don't know, maybe I have to automatically dye it. I don't know how that goes. But anyway, you get it in a reasonable amount of time. Don't wait till the last minute if you have somewhere to go or something to do. But they got here, you know, pretty fast. So again, Amazon, but make sure you don't sleep on Sam's Beauty either, because I cross-reference both, and whoever has the better value, that's who I go with. I use both of them. So again, this is Jenna by Bobbi Boss, and I feel like a Bobbi boss. Woo! So if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you like this wig, or you want more information, there'll be some links in the description box below. Or if you have any questions, you can also post those there as well. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.